RCRC coalition, we used to get information what is happening where, multi-location information. Also, what are the schemes or declarations made by various central government and state governments. So we used to pass on those information to all our volunteers. Suddenly, in last March, there was sudden shutdown due to COVID-19, and we are looking for opportunities how to go ahead, because everything was standstill. Due to our field presence, our local volunteers, we all joined hands to help all these people, those who are facing problem in the village, to get various basic support like your food and other basic requirements. The responsibility of or the need of the hour was to make people aware about the basic awareness about COVID, because people are afraid of, due to reverse migration, people are facing problem. Nobody was believing anybody. Everybody was looking at everybody as suspicion. So to break this difference, we started communicating through only mobile and WhatsApp, because it was not possible to move to the field. That in each block, those who had come back as a reverse migration family or person, they are trying to do something on their own or as an entrepreneur, so that they do not again migrate to outside. So we have started orienting them through a program called Entrepreneurship Development. Through entrepreneurship, they are getting exposed to various things that is possible, and these possibilities have led to starting of various grocery shops in their own village. Some people have started cultivating vegetables, as I told. Some people have started connecting to the local areas for some jobs in the nearby areas, that means in non-farm activities. So while doing the survey, we also did the village development plan. These village development plans are now on. So this village development plan helps, or we rather encourage people to think about their future, what they can do, their vision, their plan, then put it into a plan of action and do it. So accordingly, now the focus is on entitlement. If they have not received any help for which they are eligible, in those cases we help them to get connected and get the entitlement. The focus is, if they have some resources, then how these resources are to be planned. That means through net planning. We do net planning, means each household, each plot has to be planned by them, so that they get some plan and action or activities, and also link it to the government schemes. Once the government schemes are linked, then they get also government support. Zhuanggo Huiyan tribes, Munda tribes, those who are first time cultivators, so they were facing lot of problem. So that thing has happened. So extreme poverty pockets, they have got lot of attention from the government due to our volunteers presence, and in future we look forward to work with these reverse migrant families as well as poverty pockets.